Welcome to the ultimate guide on subscribing to IPTV Smarters for all your streaming needs. First things first, visit your preferred app store and search for IPTV Smarters Pro. Install the app while ensuring you have a stable internet connection for seamless streaming. After installation, open the app and get ready to embark on your IPTV adventure. Now, you'll need to sign up or log in to continue, which is an absolute breeze. Here's a tip. You can get the best channels package from 2tv.store. Next, input your credentials or activation code provided by your IPTV provider. Once logged in, explore the intuitive dashboard packed with countless viewing options. Scroll through plenty of categories like movies, series, and live TV channels. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry. The interface is designed to simplify your choices. Pro tip: customize the app layout to suit your viewing preferences easily. As you watch, switch effortlessly between different channels without a hitch. Remember, all this can be more entertaining with 2tv.store's best-in-class services. Regular updates will keep the app and your content up to date and fresh. Start enjoying a world of unlimited entertainment at your fingertips with IPTV Smarters. Stay tuned for more amazing tips on using your IPTV app to its fullest potential.